it's your girl LaShante, and welcome back to another video, y'all. I'm coming to you because y'all know, if you watch my vlogs, you know I just came from out of town, and I wanted to come on camera and show y'all my makeup, no makeup look. Well, y'all, because I did this look when I was out of town to Arizona, and I used a no foundation. So I just want to show y'all how I did it. If this is your first time watching me, I'm LaShante. I do vlogs, everything beauty, fashion, mom, school, you name it, I do it on this channel. So I would love for you to subscribe. That way you won't miss anything from me. And turn on your post notification. Share the video, all that jazz. So if you're interested in seeing, oh, and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I'll be on there. I'll be on Instagram. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this makeup, then just keep on watching, okay? You guys, good morning. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. If I keep looking like different ways, it's because I am filming reels or shorts, whatever you want to call it. And I am filming an actual YouTube video. But nonetheless, if y'all see me looking two different ways, that's why. But anyways, your girl has come back from vacation, and when I tell you I did this makeup, no makeup look, when I tell you I'm obsessed, girl, I am obsessed. I literally use not too many products. First, let me start off by saying I did wash my face. I did prep it with vitamin C. I did prep it with some face oil, and also some, what else did I use? Moisturizer. This Anastasia Dip Brow. Now this is my holy grail. I've been using this since I started makeup, which when I was like 19, 20. I've been using this product. I went on and off with it, and I recently just purchased it again. And when I tell you it does a job, it does a job. I am in the color Ebony. Now I broke out like right here in the front of my brow. I don't know how that happened, what I did. So for me, I like to go a little dramatic with my brows. Now take your time with this part because you don't want your brows looking crazy. So just really take your time. Brows do take time, so do not rush this part. Even though sometimes I do be rushing my brows. Don't rush the brows. Now I'm gonna take a spoolie and try to, not make it look so harsh. Okay, that's good for me. And what I'm gonna do next is conceal. I just take this Ruby Kisses. There's a dark and light color. I just take this and I conceal my brows. For the bottom, I like to use you know what? I'm lying. I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't do that. Let me tell you what I did. So when I was on vacation, what I did was I took the e.l.f. concealer and I went over this e.l.f. concealer. I put it on my eyelids and I used that to conceal. So that is what I did. Yo, I'm over here forgetting. Yo, I'm so forgive me. Okay. And then I also, I'm spilling product. I also went under my here, and then I just concealed like the dark spots. So conceal the dark spots, the areas you want to kind of cover. I'll say there. So then what I did is took the concealer from here and lined here. And went over the whole eye like that. Okay, and then I do the same thing to the other eye. Here comes the fun part, is blending. So you want to make sure that you guys are blending out this area because you don't want to look crazy. I just took for the here I just took a little small brush. This is a Sigma brush, a EB13. Oh my gosh, Sigma. Do you guys remember Sigma in the brushes? That is crazy. Sigma brushes. Do y'all still use Sigma? So I only went in this area. Y'all see what I'm doing? I am just basically keeping the product here and blending it out. Coming just a little down. And then I want to blend this out. Now, I know it looks darker. I mean, it looks extremely light for my complexion. But y'all, it's going to all come together at the end when I bronze and all of that. And so it really came together well when I was out of town. Blend you guys, because that is also key to blend it out. I look crazy, but don't worry, it's coming. It's gonna come together. Don't worry, y'all. It's gonna all come together, and that is the beauty of makeup. With everything, when you're done, everything comes together and it looks nice. So just take your time and understand that it is a process. Get underneath them eyes, get them bags concealed, girl. Okay, so I want to blend this out a little better. Okay, after that, what I did is I went in with setting powder. So I went in with the one size setting powder to set. You only need a little bit of this. This is a travel size, and you only just need a tad bit of this. So I go in with my beauty blender. Okay. That is that. Then you guys, for the main course, what really topped it off was this Huda Beauty setting powder. You guys, I love this setting powder. This is the Huda Beauty setting powder in the color Coffee Cake. Oh my gosh. It just sets my face so good. And it did such a good job when setting my face. And I went in with this e.l.f. brush. I remember that vividly. Doing that. So let's go in with that. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of product. So, and what I did was just press it in. I didn't sweep, I just pressed. Do y'all see that? I know I look a little crazy, but it's gonna come together. So press it in, y'all. Press it and then come down the chin. So press. That's what I did. I pressed it. See, there's no foundation. And this is no foundation. And I already look like I have a full face of makeup on, don't I? Don't I? But I don't. Y'all just seen? I don't. Get the lid, because if you don't get your lid, it's gonna crease. You don't want a creasy lid. Get your lid, okay? And just press it. Close your eyes. Press. And as you can see, I am going underneath my eyes. I am going over the one size powder that I applied. And I really made sure I got my eyelids, so I don't want any creasing. And then got my forehead. Oh my gosh. Y'all, do y'all see? Do y'all see all this powder on me? Wow, looks like I have a full face of makeup on. It's crazy. All right, y'all, let me go ahead and get all this stuff off. I'll be right back. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Oh no, not the ponytail getting nappy. Child. That's the thing with synthetic. The shit be getting nappy. All right, y'all. So back to what we was doing. Next, I'm gonna go in with bronzing. So you need to make sure you bronze your face. Do not forget this step. Bronze the face. I'm going in with Sephora in the color Ibiza, and it's a matte brown shade that looks like this. Y'all see? Go in with that and bronze the face. It's gonna bring some structure back into the face. Okay, bronze it, bronze it. Y'all, this step makes a huge difference, and I love that. All right, there, I just bronzed my face. That was that. I did blush, and I just smile and I go like this on the cheeks. I do go up a little bit, like right here by the eye, and that's it. Just to give me that little pinky rosy, like I'm a good girl type of vibe, because I am, period. That's that. Next, we are gonna go in with a little lip liner to get the lips right. So I'm going in with this LA Girl. What is this? LA Girl. This is an eyeliner, but I'm using it as a lip liner. That, and I already put some gloss on it. I didn't do any lipstick, but for the main course, you guys, for the top it off, like that's why I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'm just this one size setting spray, you guys. I think this is what made my makeup look so flawless all day. And when I tell you literally all day in Arizona heat, if you ain't never been to Arizona, imagine Vegas a little more. Okay, this is gonna get you right for the day. So go run and get this. Go run and get this, especially for the summertime. This is gonna be my holy grail, bitch. This is gonna be my shit. So make sure you shake it up real well, because the spray is really different. And I ain't gonna hold you, it smells kind of weird. It does. I ain't gonna hold you. It smells weird, but it does the job. Okay? So we just gonna... It smells weird. I ain't gonna hold you. And I like to overspray. I ain't gonna hold you on that. I like to overspray. Next, let's go in with the One Size mascara. This is another one that I love, and I just purchased these like last week. And when I tell you I was obsessed all day, literally it lasted all day. Oh my gosh, y'all, this, I never had a mascara that did my lashes like this. Do y'all see that? Do you see that? Like, I never had a mascara that did that. Oh my gosh. That's it. That's all I did. That is it, you guys. So I'm going to wash my hands, and I'm gonna come back really quick to show y'all the finished touches. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back, and here is the final look. And it looks like I have a full face of makeup on, but as y'all seen, I do not have a full face of makeup on. Like, I'm just so in love with this face, especially for the summer. Like, y'all, it's gonna be hot. I'm finna go out of the country. I'm finna go to Mexico. I'm finna go different places. And I'm like, I need something like this where I don't have to pull out a bunch of a foundation. Don't get me wrong, I love me some foundation, but like this was so simple and quick, like you guys. And it just, like I said, it looks like I have a full face of makeup on, but I don't. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Yeah, I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss a video from me. Talk to you guys all in my next video. Peace.